I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Hey kids, welcome back. Happy Tuesday night, afternoon. It is absolutely pouring out there and I just got soaked. I mean, like completely take a bath fucking soaked, but it was fun. What I wanted to do was I wanted to show you guys some 3-inch props, and I wanted to test fly them, and I did, and I love them, and I'll show them to you in a second. But what sucks is, you know, I could hear the thunder, and I'm flying through the goggles, and everything seemed okay, and then I crashed because, you know, I'm me, and soon as, just 3 houses down in my neighbor's yard, no big deal, I hit a tree, and I start walking, and the sky just fucking opens up. I am soaked to the bone. Kind of funny, so my wife's laughing at me. The props that I usually run on my Mocha JJs, I have 3 of them, three Mocha JJ setups, are usually these racercraft jobbies, and they are just insane, but they're amp hungry. Look at the pitch on those things. I mean, I call them head blenders. They have a lot of oomph to them. Those are my main props that I've been using, so I wanted to try out these. Now, I have not been overly impressed with Azure, whatever you call it. These are the, fuck, I don't know what they are, I just ordered them. Azure 3060s, okay? And I thought, well, let's give them a shot. So I bought 2 packs of them. And I kind of screwed myself because I wanted to compare, because I was getting really not so great flight times, like 2 minutes. On my racecrafts, but you know, they're pretty nasty little guys. But so I screwed myself in the sense of I wanted to try new props, but at the same time, I also tried new battery. So I'm not really sure which one gave me the better. I think it's the battery, honestly. I've been using, hang on, what do I usually use? These fucking things, these tattoos, they're okay. You know, people rave about them, they're alright. I got in a bunch of Black Label 850s. That's what that, you just saw an 850 tattoo. Listen to that rain, fucking nuts. 4S and 70C, and it just thumps. Now the only drawback is it came with XT60s, so I had to cut those off and solder XT30s on, but no big deal. Got great flight time, great, and I would have had better flight time had I not crashed and started pouring outside. Probably would have got a good solid 3 minutes. And I was flying pretty hard. I probably would have got 4 minutes if I would have been flying like a normal person. So here's the Mocha JJ that we did. I lost an antenna mount in the crash. Looks like I lost the screw I had putting it in. And in the DVR you can see these antennas sticking out over the field of view, which is kind of cool. But this is what I call the gem. And if you know anything about guitars, Ibanez gem dip job from the 90s, what it looks like. But anyway, so yeah, she flew awesome, awesome, awesome. Had a pretty decent crash into a tree, then into the ground, then tried to rearm and still didn't break, even bend a prop. So I'm happy with that. The one thing I don't love, and it flew perfect, is the fact, see how they got these whiptails on the back of the props like that? With a Mocha JJ, you get really close. You actually cut into the nose a little bit. So I trimmed them with a cutter and didn't really pay much attention to it. I just trimmed them until I didn't hit anymore, and they flew fine. No vibration, no jello, no nothing. Flew really, really nice. I like these props. They're very cool. I'm impressed, because usually Azures or Azures or whatever, they're not so, they're okay. They look cool, like on this Griff. My buddy Wes gave me these. He goes, oh, those props need to go on that bird. And he's right, they look cool, but yeah, that's about it. They're not exactly ass-grabbing. So anyway, I like them. Very, very cool. I'm not sure how fast I was going, but it was pretty damn fast. So check out the DVR and let me know what you think. Talk to you later, kids. Keep your nice side up. Bye.
I hit the ground running. Is anyone out there? Tap on the window. The person with answers called to the motion. I know the problem. I'm taking my chances. I'm dancing with the ego. I'm caught in the branches. Is anyone out there with the same dream, the same broken record? So it seems I'm stuck at the crossroads with no end in sight, and I don't think that I'll ever be the same. Born into nothing, I just can't take anymore. It's something I can't explain. I just want more. The blood out for money, so far from home. Did God grow tired of us? I just have to know. Is anyone out there? Tap on the window. The person with answers called to the motion. I know the problem. I'm taking my chances. I'm dancing with the ego. I'm caught in the branches. Is anyone out there with the same dream, the same broken record? So it seems I'm stuck at the crossroads with no end in sight, and I don't think that I'll ever be the same.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.